Welcome to our video on the 10-won 2001 South Korean coin. Today, we'll explore its history, geography, and numismatic significance. The 10-won South Korean coin has undergone several changes in design and composition since it was first minted. Here's a comprehensive history and details of the 2001 South Korean 10-won coin, covering mintage, numismatics, and other important aspects. South Korea has a high-tech, export-driven economy. The 10-won coin represents South Korea's economic growth. Symbol of national pride. Reflects country's cultural heritage. Expert. The material change in 2001 made the coin lighter and cheaper to produce. The shift was necessary because the cost of producing the coin was almost exceeding its face value. This cost-cutting measure reflected the government's efforts to optimize the economy during that period. Even though the 10-won coin holds little monetary value for everyday transactions, it's part of a broader effort to manage the nation's currency system. General overview. Coin name, 10-won. Issuing country, South Korea, Republic of Korea. Year of issue, 2001. Currency, South Korean won, KRW. South Korea introduced the won in 1945, replacing the Korean yen. The 10-won coin was first minted in 1970. Value, 10-won. Material, mostly composed of an aluminum-bronze alloy, CUL. Mintage, minted by Korea Minting and Security Printing Corporation. Distributed by Bank of Korea. Mintage of the 2001 coin, 101,340,000 pieces, estimated. Mintage, 150 million. Rarity, common. Condition, circulated and uncirculated. Value, face value to 5 times face value. Diameter, 18.0 millimeters. Weight, 1.22 grams. Thickness, 1.52 millimeters. Metal, nickel-plated steel. Mintage, 150 million. Designer, Korea Minting and Security. Edge, plain, no reading or engraving on the edge. Metal composition, Cu 65%, Zn 35%, aluminum bronze alloy. Design elements. Image of the Dabotap Pagoda, which is a historic pagoda located at Bulguksa Temple in Daejeon, South Korea. This pagoda is a symbol of national pride, built in the unified Silla period, 8th century. Script, Republic of Korea, is inscribed in Hangul at the top. Date, the year of minting, 2001, is located at the bottom. Design elements. The denomination's 10 is prominently displayed in the center. Below the denomination is 1, the unit of currency. Obverse, portrait of Sejong the Great. Reverse, value and date. Metal, nickel-plated steel. Diameter, 22.86 millimeters. Weight, 4.22 g. Script, none, except for the numeric denomination. Numismatic value. Host, despite its declining everyday use, the 10-won coin holds value for numismatists, coin collectors. The 2001 edition, especially, is part of a sought-after series for collectors who appreciate the craftsmanship and historical significance. Visual, display a close-up shot of a 2001 10-won coin with detailed imagery of Dabotap. Host, for collectors, each coin tells a unique story. The 10-won coin from 2001 represents a turning point in material use and carries cultural. Minting authority. Coins are produced by the Korea Minting and Security Printing Corporation, KOMSCO, located in Daejeon, South Korea. This facility handles the production of both coins and banknotes for South Korea. Major industries: electronics, automotive, shipbuilding. Member of G20 and OECD. The 10-won coin design featuring the Dabotap Pagoda reflects South Korea's appreciation for its cultural heritage, particularly from the Silla Dynasty. The Dabotap was built during the reign of King Gyeongdeok and represents the elegant architectural style of the time. In conclusion, the 10-won 2001 South Korean coin is a significant part of the country's numismatic history. This coin is part of a long-standing tradition of numismatic evolution in South Korea, with frequent updates to coin designs to reflect historical and cultural themes. The Korean currency system in modern form began after the Korean War, and the first 10-won coin was introduced in 1966. The 10-won coin is widely circulated and has undergone various material changes. Initially made from a copper-nickel alloy, it was later changed to an aluminum-bronze alloy to reduce production costs. Despite its low face value, collectors may seek specific years like 1966, first issue, or coins with errors. The 10-won coin is mainly used in South Korea and has limited value for international exchange. However, the small denomination makes it convenient for transactions like vending machines and parking meters. It is not widely used in high-value transactions due to its low purchasing power. Error coins, e.g., misprinted dates. Commemorative issues, e.g., Seoul Olympics. Grading and certification. The coin features inscriptions in Hangul, the Korean alphabet, which was developed by King Sejong the Great in 1443. Hangul is now the official script of both North and South Korea. South Korea is located on the Korean peninsula, bordered by North Korea, China, and the Yellow Sea. Mountainous terrain with coastal plain. Showcase rare or commemorative South Korean coins. Discuss coin grading and certification. Interview a South Korean numismatist or coin collector. Explore South Korea's cultural significance in East Asia. If you have any more questions about South Korean coins or need further details, feel free to ask. Thank you for joining this exploration of the 10-won 2001 South Korean coin. We hope this insight into its history and geography has been both informative and enga.